Alrighty, today we will be learning how to properly crimp an Rj-45 plug. First step, score the Cat 6 3 to 6 inches below the start point of the cable. Make sure you score it all the way around and make sure it's deep enough. Once you have it properly scored and removed, cut away the protective shield inside without damaging the cables. Then fan out your cables in the correct order. The correct Rj-45 plug order is white orange, orange, then white green, then it's white blue, blue green, white brown, brown. I'm putting the green right here just because it's easier to separate them when it comes time. So once they're in order as so, start untwisting each pair. And once you get this pair all the way twisted, it's easiest to straighten out each cable as so. So you go white, green, then you get the blue in the middle of the greens like that. Yeah, white. We have blue, white, blue, and green, and white, brown, and brown. Alright, after you get all the cables fanned out straight and in order, you want to properly bring them together while pinching my left thumb here. Bring them in so they're nice and tight, and then try straightening them out so they slide into Rj-45 nice and easy. As so. And then once they're all, as they're in order, like they are, you cut them down to a proper length, just a little longer than the Rj-45, as they're still in the same order. Easiest way is to pinch down at the base, and then take your Rj-45, make sure it's the correct way, pins up, slide it in, make sure this is a Cat 6 so it has a shield on the bottom. So slide it in, make sure it gets under the shield. Make sure it gets up there, which is alrighty, then make sure you have a little bit of the sheathing right next to the little rivet here so it releases the pressure off the cable. Then you insert the Rj-45 properly into the crimper and crimp down, and you properly have a Rj-45 crimper. Then to finish the process you would normally test and make sure that each end is done, but I do not have a tester, so now we're done.